Today, we're diving into the exciting setup of IPTV on your Firestick without any hiccups. Firstly, navigate to the settings on your Firestick's homepage and select My Fire TV. Under My Fire TV, you'll find the developer options you need to activate for installation. Enable both ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources to allow third-party installations. Now, search for and open the Downloader app, a crucial tool for downloading third-party apps. Enter the downloader URL you need to directly access IPTV app files quickly and efficiently. Once downloaded, go ahead and install the IPTV app on your Firestick smoothly. Wait for the installation process to complete and open the IPTV app right away. Inside your IPTV app, you'll need credentials. Subscribing from 2tv.store makes this effortless. Access your account and input your login provided by 2tv.store to access streaming channels. Explore the vast array of channels available at your fingertips. Thanks to this versatile setup, adjust your app preferences to tailor your viewing experience exactly to your liking. Experience high-definition viewing pleasure with the best streaming quality IPTV offers. Enhanced customer service from 2tv.store ensures you're never stranded with technical issues. Now, you're all set to enjoy an unmatched streaming extravaganza from the comfort of your home. Thanks for joining, and don't forget to check out 2tv.store for more amazing streaming packages.